What's going on, guys? Sergeant's Tech Tips. I'm going to be showing you how to install translucent TB and make your taskbar either invisible or um, like, translucent. We're going to be using translucent TB for the tutorial today. You're just going to go to the link in the description to this website. By the way, Happy New Year. Technically, it's December 31st. Tomorrow will be New Year's Day, but Happy New Year's Eve, and I hope you all have the rest of your 2018 and excuse me, the rest of your 2018, and hopefully you guys have a good 2019. Anyway, so once the UAC pops up, click yes, and then click next here. Click I accept. You can change the file path, but I'm just going to do it on my solid state. Click install, and click finish. You're just going to click yes. So now I'm going to go ahead and close that, but you can actually make it boot up, open it boot. I'm going to get a lighter wallpaper real quick, so I'll be right back. So for now, I'm just going to use this Google type wallpaper. So as you can see, it's all translucent now. So you could actually do regular, you can do opaque, but I'm not even sure what that does. But I like to usually do blur because it looks better. But I think what I'm going to do is I'm actually just going to do the clear because honestly it looks better with this wallpaper anyway. You can also make it so it does clear while you're on a maximize window. That's usually what you want to do. And you're also going to want to change the start menu opened setting to whatever setting you have. And then Cortana, blah, blah, blah. We're going to do clear and then timeline clear. So that's how you fix your taskbar. You can make it more, you. But I hope you guys have a good year. Like the video if you liked it. Dislike if it sucked. Subscribe to my channel if you guys are new. Thank you guys for all the support and subscribers. And if you guys want any future videos like this with just tutorials, just comment below. See you guys next video and peace out.